Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a pack with me vlog. I'm so excited because tomorrow morning I am getting on an airplane and I'm flying to Maui, Hawaii. This will be my first time going to the island of Maui. If you have been watching my videos for a while, you would know that I actually lived on Oahu last summer for 3 months. I had a summer internship out there and it was so much fun, but each island over there is just so different. So I'm really excited to experience Maui. I've also been to the Big Island before, but this will be my first time on Maui, so I'm really excited. Now that all being said, I have not packed a single thing and I leave in like 14 hours, 15 hours, something like that. So this is going to be a packing vlog. I was planning on hopefully getting started with my packing a lot earlier. It's already like 3 o'clock though. So I have like laundry to do. I need to take Cleo to her pet sitters later this evening. I need to like actually pack my stuff. I think I need to go to the store and get some like travel size shampoo and conditioners and stuff like that. Oh, look who it is. But overall, these are good problems to have. Am I right? But I'm really excited. So I think what I'm going to do first is actually eat before I do any packing, because it is, yeah, it's like 2:30 right now and I haven't really eaten much today. So what I ended up doing, so I had some meatballs that I just put in the microwave, and then I also have this bed of spinach and some walnuts on there. And literally, you guys, all I'm gonna do is just take the meatballs, put them on top of here, and just have this as a quick little meal. Okay, also, can we just talk about the fact that Netflix finally put this song out? It's the On a Roll song by Ashley O, which is really Miley Cyrus from Black Mirror. But yeah, I just love this song. It makes me feel good. Okay, so here's my current situation. We have spectator Cleo right over here. She's observing. She's starting to get nervous because I think she realizes that I am going somewhere, because when the suitcases come out, dogs know. Anyways, okay, so I have this big pile of stuff that I've been wearing for the past few days, so that needs to be washed. And then this bag I packed in Charlotte, and it just has all the stuff that I think I'm gonna bring, and then this is the actual bag that I'm bringing. There's literally freaking sand in it from the last time I took this bag to the beach. So I need to first vacuum that out and then pack. And I'm trying to pack as light as possible because I don't want to check a bag. So I might not even bring all this stuff. I don't know. I really want to bring that backpack though. I just feel like it's gonna take up a lot of room. But okay, yeah, let's go ahead and get this show on the road. Alright, so now I'm going to just go through this bag and kind of figure out what I want to bring, what I don't want to bring. I don't think I'm going to bring this first thing, just because I only need one type of sweatshirt. I don't know how much hiking and stuff I'm going to be doing, so I'm worried about like leggings. I don't know how many pairs I should bring. I feel like I should bring 3 pairs of leggings just to be extra safe. Okay, these are all the bathing suits I'm gonna bring. I feel like this is slightly excessive, but you know what? It's Hawaii and you're literally just in your bathing suit for most of the time, so it doesn't really matter. You know what? I don't know if I need to bring, I feel like I'm not gonna wear this one, and I also feel like I'm not gonna wear this piece. Okay, so that's like about 4 bathing suits. Okay, you guys, these pants are my favorite in the summertime. They're like the pants that have the elastic waist. I haven't worn these yet, I got them in Korea. And they're just like flowy, and then they're slightly cropped at the bottom, so they're like a capri length. But I'm gonna bring several pairs, I think, of these. Okay, so I just sorted out all of the clothes that I wanted to bring, and I decided not to bring some of the stuff that I had packed, and then this is everything pretty much that I'm going to bring aside from this stuff. So I need to throw that stuff in the laundry right now, but I kind of wanted to show you guys like how lightly I'm packing. I'm also going to pack the shorts that I'm wearing and also this tube top that I'm wearing, but for the most part I think I did a pretty good job packing lightly. I'm just bringing cute little denim skirts, a pair of denim shorts, and then a white pair of shorts, and so that'll be 4 pairs of shorts total, and then 4 pairs of nice dressy pants, and then I have just like some casual, like this is a casual tube top, this is a casual like white t-shirt, it's just a black spaghetti strap top, sports bra and a pair of biker shorts. And then I'm going to bring 3 pairs of long leggings. So I have one of the pairs right here, and then the other 2 are dirty. And then here are the 5 bathing suits I'm gonna bring. And then I'm gonna bring that flannel, but I'm going to wear it at the airport. So I'm not gonna pack that obviously, but these are all the clothes I'm gonna bring. Obviously this doesn't include like my cosmetics and all the other stuff that I'm gonna show you later, but I'm very proud of myself for packing lightly. I'm proud of myself right now, but I feel like when I get there, I'm gonna be like, why did I not bring more options? I feel like it usually works like that. Alright, so I just finished getting everything together as far as toiletries go. I did just realize though that my face wash and moisturizer are in big bottles, and because I don't want to check a bag, I'm gonna have to put my moisturizer and my cleanser into like a little mini travel bottle, so I need to make sure I go get some of those later. Other than that though, this is everything I'm bringing. Really basic stuff, just like makeup remover, bobby pins, band-aids, shampoo, conditioner, deodorant. I also have like my razor, my body wash, but I'm using those tonight, so I'm not going to pack those yet. And I think I'm just going to pack them in this little makeup bag. And I'm glad that I'm only going to be gone for like a week, because it's so much less stressful packing for a week compared to like a 2-week long vacation, you know? Okay, I just gathered a couple more things that I'm bringing. So first, sunglasses. I love having options, so I just have a variety of sunglasses that I'm packing. Also, these are amazing. These little power brick charger things, you know, like the power banks that you can charge your phone with. Gotta have one of those. I think I have another one, so I'm gonna try and find it. And then AirPods are an essential. I have my tripod. And then yes, I'm that girl that wears a face mask while I fly, because airplanes, you guys, when you think about it, like airplanes are so gross. One of my flights tomorrow is 9 hours. So that is a long time to be on an airplane. So yeah, I always make sure to pack new face masks. And Cleo is definitely starting to realize that I'm leaving, and she seems really sad. She can tell, like when I bring out my suitcase, the girl knows, trust me. And soon I'm gonna pack up your stuff and bring you to your pet sitters. Okay, also I just realized that I never even explained why I'm going to Hawaii or who I'm going to Hawaii with. So this is kind of like a graduation, a gift from my parents to me. Everyone in my family is like somewhere different right now. My parents are in like Oregon, my brother's on Oahu, so we're all just like meeting out there. I also located this, which is all the jewelry I was planning on bringing, that is now in one big clump. So add that to my to-do list tonight. Okay, I just got back from being out for like an hour. I'm having a big cup of water, but I want to show you guys lychee. It's lychee season. These are so good right now. If you've never had lychee, I guess I'll show you guys. I guess I have to eat another one. So good. All right, time to take the little one to her dog sitters. I actually get really emotional every time I drop her off. I don't like cry, but you know, Cleo's my bestie, and I'm just, you know, I have to trust somebody else with my dog, and it's just, I don't know. I never told this story, but 3 years ago when I went on vacation, my pet sitter, who is not the same person that is watching her this time, she accidentally got loose on my pet sitter's watch, and she was gone for 3 days, and then she just wandered back one day. But yeah, so because of that, I just always kind of, you know, I worry a little bit whenever I drop her off. But anyways, gonna head over there. Come on, let's get your car on. All right, so I just dropped little Miss Cleo off. It feels so lonely and just quiet, honestly, without her. And then I ran to Harris Teeter, and I just grabbed some bananas and just the other things that I needed to grab before I leave tomorrow morning. But I think I'm gonna continue this vlog into tomorrow and vlog a little bit while I travel to Maui and just show you guys my place that I'm gonna be staying in there. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna probably vlog for tonight. I'm going to hit the gym one last time, hopefully get a good workout in, and then probably go to bed pretty early because I'm gonna have to be up at like 5:30 in the morning at the latest. But yeah, I will see you guys at first thing tomorrow morning. Alright, so after a long day of traveling, I have made it to my little humble Maui abode, and I'm so happy to finally be here. Literally, I was traveling for like 15 hours, so you feel me? But oh my gosh, it's so pretty out. You can just see the ocean and the trees and all the pretty plants, and then inside there's just like a little, you know, mini kitchen area. There is one bedroom down here. This one has 2 beds and a bathroom. I believe there's more sleeping space. There's another bedroom. This is kind of the look when you come down the stairs. I am so excited to be in Maui, you guys. All right, anyways, I am going to go ahead and close the vlog off here. I look so greasy right now. I look so freaking gross. I'm about to go swim in the ocean and then shower because like this has got to go. I was on an airplane all day, so that's why. But I hope you guys enjoyed this pack with me video. I just wanted to close it off with the tour. I plan to do a little bit of vlogging this week also, so be sure to stay on the lookout for that. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.